Well, I love this story because my first used car, bought in 1987 for $500 and a case of beer. Oh, how things have changed. Take a look at the rise in average used automobile prices, not just used cars, but used trucks, used SUVs. According to Edmunds, it is now above $20,000. Now, compare that with the price of a new vehicle. This is one of the things that's driving demand in the used market. The average price for a new vehicle, just over $35,000. That gap is widening, and a lot of people are saying, you know what, I'm going to go on the lower end and go for a used model. At the same time, there's been a wave of 3-year-old models coming off lease, people turning them back into the dealers. And this is one of those dealer auctions that we've been to before, where the dealers bring in these vehicles and then they sell them either to other dealers or to private parties, whatever it might be. And the demand is strong for those 3-year-old models because they have the latest bells and whistles.
Those safety features as well as fuel economy. Really, cars that are just 6 years old are quite a bit different than newer vehicles that you see out there today.
Take a look at shares of CarMax, which has actually seen an increase in its stock price over the last couple of months as people have rotated more into used cars. Guys, about 39 million used vehicles will be sold here in the United States this year. About 2/3 through dealerships and the remaining third private party, one person to another, certainly going for more than $500 and a case of beer.
I know, but I still look for those $500 deals. Hey, I want to ask you about Tesla because we're watching the stock pull back today, Phil, more than $20 below Tuesday's Musk tweet high.
Yep.
More than $60 a share below the supposed offer price. Are people doubting Elon Musk will actually go through with his plan to take the company private here?
I think that's what the market's telling people. The longer we go without some type of a filing or at least more details from Tesla, especially with regard to the question of funding secured. What is that funding? If there is funding that has been secured for this takeout at $420 a share, the longer we go without information, I'm not surprised that we see the stock move lower and lower.